Yo, checking in, watching you, as per. Right, I want to give a quick tip today. Something that I did because I was embarrassed. I didn't want to be seen to be working too hard when I was at school. So what I would do is I would record myself I had an iPhone 3 back in school. That was a decent time ago, actually. This was about 2012 time, 2011. And I would record myself reading out my notes, and sometimes people would listen to their iPods and things just when they're walking around, if you were solo and things like that. And everyone would think I'd be listening to some music, but I wasn't. I was listening to me teach me, or revise notes, or just do something, contributing towards my exam performance. And the thing about this is it's that element of surprise, right? Because you're learning and digesting stuff when people think you're listening to Biebs or Derulo or, Flow Rider. I bloody love Flow Rider, he's a good bloke. I got some absolute crackers out at the moment. People think you're doing that, but you're not. You're cruising and you're listening to yourself just wax lyrical about academic stuff in your ears every day. And then you go and smash the hell out of the exam, and people are like, what? How the hell did you do that? You're just walking around listening to tunes the whole time. It's a big tip right there. I still do it today. If I need to remember stuff, if I'm making a talk or anything, I'll listen to it twice over. Just have it coming down through the headphones into your noggin. Especially, look, Tech City right here. When I'm talking about tech and ads and the industry I'm involved in at Vayner, I need to be on it. There's some senior people in the room that are going to call me out if I start chatting breeze. So I've got to know it inside out, and then I make sure I remember what I'm going to say and how to actually articulate it in a way that isn't going to get me called out. In fact, it's going to get a lot of nodding heads and the exam coach hitting A-Town. So that's how you want to roll. Listen to stuff, get it in your noggin.